everyone, I am Sarvi from 8th standard and today I am here to deliver a short speech on Independence Day. So as we all know that Indian Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year to mark the freedom that we got from British colonial rulers in 1947. It's a momentous occasion filled with patriotism, flag hosting, many cultural events and speeches by our political leaders. It's a day when all the citizens come together to remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and reassure their commitment to a successful India. So, as we all know that India is celebrating 78 years of independence on 15th of August 2024. 15th of August 2024, have acquired independence without the efforts of many freedom fighters. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. are some of the important names. On 15th August 1947, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India, hosted the national flag on the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of 200 years old British rule in India. British have ruled India for about 200 years. Under the British rule, Indians were treated as slaves. They had no freedom of speech. Treated as slaves and they had no freedom of speech. Role in bringing our freedom fighters together to get India independent. There were so many different peoples of different religions in the group, but they didn't consider this as a part because all of them wanted a single and the same thing, which was freedom. There are different people of different religions living in India. There is diversity in India, but in spite of the diversity, there is unity in India. All of the people live together and they have a specific love for their country in their heart. This is this love that brings all of the people together to work hard for their country. We all are equal citizens. We all have equal opportunities, equal duties and equal rights. Now it's our duty to work for the betterment of our country, and we must pay tribute to the known and unknown freedom fighters whose sacrifices have made it possible for us to live in a free and independent country. So now at last I would like to end my speech with some beautiful words by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. At the strokes of the midnight hour, when the whole world is sleeping, India will awake to life and India will awake to independence, to freedom. Thank you.